Hello guys, today we are going to make one spiral design crochet, this one. So let's start. So I'm using 4 colors. Okay, so let's start with one off-white yarn. So first we have to make 7 chains. So let's make 7 chains first. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now we are going to make one magic circle like this. We have to make slip stitch in the first chain and make one magic circle. Now we are going to make one chain, and in this circle we have to work. So after this chain we are going to make one single crochet, then we are going to make one half double crochet. Now we are going to make one double crochet and one triple crochet. Okay, so we have to do this with other colors too. Okay, leave this a bit longer. Now we are taking our next color, which is this red one. We are going to make one slip knot here, and then we'll make one slip stitch in the circle like this. Okay, single crochet. Okay, just shift it. Now we'll make one single crochet, one half double crochet, now we are going to make one double crochet, and we are going to make one triple crochet. Leave a yarn bit long. Now next move to our next color. Again we have to make one single crochet, one half double crochet, one double crochet and one triple crochet. Now we'll move to our fourth color. With fourth color, again we have to start with our single crochet, one single crochet, one half double crochet, one double crochet, and one triple crochet. Now we'll move to our first color, white one. From here we are going to make double crochet in this color. Okay, in first chain we are going to make one double crochet, one chain, and we are going to make puff stitch in this. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Pull out the yarn like this, and we are going to make one double crochet. Okay, now again we are going to make one more double crochet. We'll make one chain and leave it like this, and we will going to move forward to our next pink color. So in this color we are going to make one double crochet in our next color, one chain, and we are going to make 5 puff stitches. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Pull the yarn, and we are going to make one double crochet, one more double crochet. We'll make one chain, and we're going to move to our next color. Okay, this one. So now we have to make one double crochet in this color, we'll make one chain, and we are going to make puff now. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Pull the yarn. Now we are going to make one double crochet. We'll make one more double crochet. We'll make one chain, and we're going to move forward to our next color. Okay, we'll start with our double crochet, one chain, and we are going to make puff. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Pull the yarn, make one double crochet, and again we are going to make one more double crochet, make one chain, and leave it here. Now we are going to work in our very first color, which is white one. Okay, so in this double crochet we are going to make our puff stitch, which double crochet we have made previously. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Pull the yarn, make one double crochet, make one more double crochet, make one chain, and again we are going to make puff stitch. Okay, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, now we'll make one double crochet, in the next stitch we are going to make one more double crochet, one chain, and now we'll move forward to our pink color. Okay, now in this double crochet we are going to make puff stitch. 1 2 3 4 5. Join them, make one double crochet, again we are going to make one more double crochet, one chain, and we are going to make puff stitch now. 1 2 3 4 5. Pull the yarn. Now we are going to make one double crochet, Oh. Again we are going to make one double crochet and we are going to make puff stitch in this. 1 2 3 4 5. Pull the yarn, make one more double crochet. So we have to make it like this. See you after some rounds, okay? So now we have done till 10 in each. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So now we'll move forward. So you have to make it in the same way, okay? So now this one is 11th one. It's up to you how much do you want. Okay, so we have done 16 puff stitches in each of them. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16, and each of them they are 16. Now we have to close them, so let's start and see how to close them. Here I have done 2 double crochet, okay? So 2 double crochet. After that, in next stage we have to make 1 half double crochet, and in last one we have to make 1 single crochet, 1 slip stitch, and done. So now you can cut the yarn, okay? This one is completely done. So remove the white one. Now we'll move forward with this pink one. So again here I have done 2 double crochet in the end. Now we are going to make 1 half double crochet here, 1 single crochet, and 1 slip stitch. This one is also done, so cut the yarn. 2. Now number 3, this one is also. So I have done last 2 double crochet in the end, then 1 half double crochet here, and we are going to make 1 single crochet in the next and 1 slip stitch, and again we are going to cut the yarn, and this one is last one. So after 2 double crochet we'll make 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, and last 1 slip stitch, like this. Okay, so this is our final pattern. See how it's looking. I hope it's clear to all of you. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.